So, last video we learned workplace phrases like circle back, touch base, keep me in the loop, heads up. And I know what some of you may be thinking. Do people actually use these phrases? The answer is yes. In fact, English speakers in general will use these phrases in their social life as well. So be prepared. Now, today we are going to listen in on real conversations that use these phrases, be on the lookout for these phrases, and of course, how people use the English language.
Hey Jay, good morning. How are you doing?
Morning, Steve. I am well. How about you?
Great. I am ready to tackle the day. Ready for your first day?
I'm a little nervous, but I think I'm ready.
Don't worry, it's going to be a piece of cake. So, first things first, I want to show you around and make sure we're all on the same page about how things work here. I also want to introduce you to some of your peers and get a chance to know them.
Sweet. Sounds like a plan.
In here, we have the main office where our whole team works. To the right corner, we have human resources, also known as HR. Just opposite of HR is the accounting team. And to the left is the customer service department. That's where you will work. We're pretty collaborative. We communicate a lot. So if you ever have questions, ask. And just a heads up, Mondays can get a little busy around here.
Awesome. Thanks for letting me know.
Let's start with HR. This is the HR office. This is Adam, our HR manager.
Hey Jay, welcome aboard.
Thanks. Nice to meet you. So, what is HR?
Nice to meet you too. I work in HR. Our department is responsible for creating a fair, safe, and legal workplace. We also deal with any important benefits you would like to receive from the company, important life events outside of work, and help you with career path opportunities within the company.
Why don't you tell him a little about yourself, Adam?
Of course, I've been here for about 6 years. Before this, I worked recruiting for a healthcare company. So if you need help with benefits, paperwork, or company policies, I'm your guy. I have a wife and 2 kids at home, a boy and a girl. My son Daniel is 6, and my daughter Kathy is 4.
Wow, that's so cool. Thanks for sharing.
Of course, and don't stress about all the forms. We can touch base later if you have questions.
Adam keeps this place running. Keep me in the loop on the company party this weekend, please.
I try, and will do, boss.
All right, next up, customer service. You'll be working alongside Kevin here.
Hey man, welcome to the team.
Kevin, why don't you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am a customer service specialist. I basically receive phone calls from customers. When customers call, they may call about an issue they have regarding our product or service. My goal is to straighten the situation out and make the experience easier for our customers. I've been here 3 years. Before this, I worked retail management. So trust me, office life feels very different. I like to hang out with friends, play basketball at the local gym, and do a little karaoke. I have a fiance, and we are getting married 2 months from now.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I am very excited. I'll also show you where everyone hides the good snacks too.
Now that sounds important. Please keep me in the loop.
And over here we have Emily.
Hi, Jay. Nice to meet you.
Emily is in accounting. Please, Emily, why don't you tell Jay here what you do?
Yep. We are responsible for tracking cash flow, budgets, paying bills, managing taxes, and payroll. I've been in accounting for about 8 years. I actually started in banking before moving into corporate finance. So, numbers have pretty much been my whole life. At home, I have a husband who I have been married to for 9 years, along with 3 kids, Heidi, James, and Kyle. Heidi, my oldest, is 7 years old, and my 2 boys, James and Kyle, are twins. They are both 3.
Wow, that sounds like a handful. How do you do it?
Well, this may come as a surprise to you. It's actually more exciting than it sounds. I am finishing up a report. After that, I will get back to you with your payroll information.
Thanks, Emily. It was nice meeting you.
So here's the plan. You'll shadow Kevin this morning. After lunch, we'll circle back and talk about how things are going. And then, tomorrow, we'll touch base again to answer questions. We just want to make sure everyone stays on the same page. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, what has your experience with the company been like?
Well, I started with the company 10 years ago as an office clerk. We were in charge of arranging meetings for our bosses, handling emails, running errands, that kind of thing. I worked as an office clerk for about 2 years, then moved up to customer service specialist, the same job you have now. I worked there for about 5 years before they promoted me to manager, the position I currently hold at the moment.
Wow, that's a lot of experience.
Yeah, but it just goes to show you how rewarding it is to work for this company. And if anything feels confusing, give me a heads up.
Okay, so now we have been introduced to our peers and know a little more about the workplace. Before I continue, did you guys notice the phrases we covered in the last video? Piece of cake, keep me in the loop, touch base, etc. These are many examples of how these phrases may be used in the workplace. In the next video, we'll cover how Kevin, my coworker, performs his job as a customer service specialist as I sit and shadow his work. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, take care.